Hey YouTube, Alan here. Today I just have a quick update on my concealed carry setup. And as you recall, I purchased the Beretta 92 Elite LTT from Langdon Tactical, and I'm so impressed with the trigger and the way the decocker works versus the Sig, where I don't have to break my strong hand grip when I decock, because I decock with my weak hand. On the Sig, when I try to do that, I have to pretty much let go of the grip and then, use the grip decocker here. So I need to break my strong hand grip to do that. The 92 Elite LTT, I have the decocker on the slide, so I can keep my strong hand in place and use my weak hand to decock, which is how I've been doing it, and that works very well. So that's just from a usability type, because when you use a double action, single action, it is imperative that as soon as you're done shooting or the threat is gone, that you decock before you do anything else with the pistol. And so I've pretty much been doing that consistently. With the Sigs, I had to break my strong hand grip. With the Beretta, I don't. So I've been carrying the Beretta 92 for, well, ever since I got it, so a little over a month now. And I've been carrying it in appendix with the Keeper AIWB holster, which is a great holster. I have a video on that. I'll put it in the links below. And sometimes, depending on my clothing, when I can't carry appendix, I carry in a crossbreed super tuck in the 430 position behind my hip. So while the 92 is a great gun to shoot and to carry, there are instances where during the summer, or if you have lighter clothing, where the Beretta, the full-size pistol, is just slightly too large to carry comfortably and well concealed in some situations. So because I was so impressed with the Langdon Tactical trigger job and the pistol in general, it's a very, very high quality pistol, and he knows the Berettas well enough that he chooses the correct parts to replace. And so because I was so impressed, I went ahead and ordered, and you can see I have the Keeper AIWB for that one too, for this one too. Here it is. And you can tell I have been carrying this quite a bit. Now I switched the pads between the Beretta 92 and this one. Well, what is this one? Well, this one is, okay, before we start, let's make sure, there you see, empty, decock, empty, okay, so it's empty. But this is the Langdon Tactical PX4 Storm Compact Carry. Now I said Langdon Tactical because I purchased it through Langdon Tactical's site, but it actually is a Beretta pistol. The reason why I purchased it through Langdon is because he actually did the trigger job on this one, his standard trigger job. So as you can tell, it's a very nice pistol. It has a nice finish, and there we go. And again, as I showed earlier, it is still unloaded. I did shoot it a bit, so it is probably a little dirty, but not too much. But you can tell, so with the Ameriglow sights, okay, if I go over here and show you guys, there is the, so that's what the sight picture looks like approximately. So very nice. It's very easy to shoot. it has, with the rotating barrel, it actually takes some of the recoil energy. When you shoot, typically the slide comes back, which that is the recoil energy that goes into your hand, right? That's straight back. Now, because you're holding the pistol on a grip like this, that's why there is, when it comes back, it puts a torque or a moment on the grip, which is why it goes up a little bit. But technically speaking, the pistol, if it were held, you know, right here, it would just go straight back like this. But because they have this weird mechanism where the barrel actually turns, some of that energy that goes back is actually transformed into rotational energy inside the barrel, which helps reduce ever so slightly, it's not a lot, but it helps reduce the recoil going back a little bit, which makes the pistol easier to shoot in follow-up shots. And I can attest that that's the case. Now the 92 obviously, because of its weight, will be probably more accurate because of the weight and the distance between the sights, right, the sight radius, because with the longer slide and barrel you have more distance, which makes it easier to be accurate with that pistol. But this pistol is, I tried it out, and even at 21, 25 meters, it is very accurate. I'm pretty happy with this, and like I said, this is going to be my carry pistol in case I cannot carry the full size, which happens every once in a while, and sometimes I'm lazy. But with the keeper, it is very comfortable. Again, just like the 92. And if you're looking at a pistol that is a double action, single action for safety purposes when you carry inside the waistband appendix, I can highly recommend this pistol. I purchased it outright, so I'm not getting any kickback. But Ernest Langdon really knows what he's doing. I said it with the Beretta 92, and I can say it with the compact carry, the PX4 compact carry as well. That trigger is absolutely great. It breaks in exactly the same spot, whether it's a double action or in single action, which is important because most double action, single action pistols, the trigger breaks in different positions between the double action shot and the single action shot, which this one and the 92 don't. They break in exactly the same spot, which is exactly what you want. Another thing that I haven't done yet, but the compact tactical, the compact carry actually comes with Talon grips, and I haven't installed them yet because I'm not sure that I want the wraparound. They have a wraparound that they come with. I'm thinking about cutting off the back and the front because there is some checkering, as you can see. There is checkering on the back and in the front, and honestly, that is good enough for me. What I would like to have is a little more grippiness here on the side where it's pretty much just flat. So what I'm going to probably do is take those Talon grips and cut them to where they just fit here and here. That way I have more grippiness, and then I still have the front and the back original, which I think is what I want to keep. But in general, this is a very nice pistol. I mean, I've been impressed with both the 92 and the PX4, and in fact the Sig 365 that I was carrying before in case I couldn't carry the Beretta 92 because it's too big or because my clothes don't fit it exactly. I actually have moved that one to replace my wife's Glock 43 that she's been carrying for a little over a year and a half, thereabouts. Now the 365 is going to replace her Glock, and since the way she carries, it's not a problem for her to carry a striker-fired pistol because she doesn't carry appendix, so I don't have to worry about that too much for her. She did shoot the 365, she did like it. Anyhow, I just wanted to do a quick update on the whole concealed carry EDC. Like I said, the Beretta 92 Elite LTT is my primary concealed carry weapon EDC, everyday carry. The PX4 is my, when I can't carry the Beretta 92, I carry it. So, as usual, stay safe and have fun.